Hello students, so this is ecosystem management EVS 3501. Okay, so last lecture we will discussing terrestrial ecosystem management. So firstly their introduction, त्याचं जे पण इंट्रोडक्शन आहे, व्हॉट इज टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम, देन त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन जे पण असेल, देन आपण जे सुरू केलं होतं मेथड्स ऑफ टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम मॅनेजमेंट. सो देर आर 5 methods, that is remote sensing, geographical information system, ethnobotany, non-node forest, and then traditional method. आणि आपण remote sensing and geographical information in detail मध्ये बघितलं, what is remote sensing and how to use remote sensing in terrestrial ecosystem management, their relationship, then GIS. then next one आहे जे ethnobotany. so ethnobotany is the study of interrelationship between or interrelations between human and plant. so plant आणि humans जे पण असणार आहे interrelation असेल. then however current use of the terms implies the study of indigenous or traditional knowledge of plants. so it involves the indigenous knowledge of plant, their classification, cultivation and use of food, medicine and shelter. okay, सो जे पण इथॅनोबॉटनी मीन्स जे पण प्लांट्स आहेत त्यांचं क्लासिफिकेशन असेल, कल्टिवेशन असेल, देन त्यांच्यापासून जे पण मिळणारे प्रोडक्ट्स असतील किंवा त्यांचा जो यूज असेल. ॲज सच वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट रोल दॅट इथॅनोबॉटनी कुड परफॉर्म टू हेल्प कंझर्व बायोडायव्हर्सिटी विल बी टू प्रपोज realistic and functional models for natural resource uses and management that could be used in policy, planning and decision making. So these are the some management category, then management intensity and types of indicators. So in situ interaction and ex situ interaction. So firstly in situ interaction, that is there are 4 types, that is gathering, tolerance, enhancing and protection. And ex situ interaction is the sowing and Y planting, then transplantation. okay, so management intensity, that is life cycle duration, reproductive system, distribution and abundance, the biomass or area unit, then human cultural value, economic value and communitarian agreement, then labor hand invest, tool used, then frequency of harvesting, maintenance labors, then organic and inorganic inputs and artificial selection. And there are 3 types of indicators. firstly there are biological or ecological features of plants, then socio-cultural aspect of managers, and then technological aspect of management. so plant management जे पण असेल, so socio-cultural dimension. okay, so firstly governance of the commons, then ecology and ecological economy. so हे जे then socio-cultural dimension असेल किंवा governance of the commons असेल, इथेनोइकॉलॉजी अँड इकॉलॉजिकल इकॉनॉमी. सो यांचा जो पण डायमेन्शन असेल किंवा तो इम्पॅक्ट असेल किंवा त्यांचं जे वर्किंग असेल, सो प्लांट मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये त्याचा कसा यूज होतं. देन सेकंड इकॉलॉजिकल डायमेन्शन असेल, देन थर्ड वन इव्होल्युशनरी डायमेन्शन. ओके, सो इकॉलॉजिकल डायमेन्शनचं जे पण पॉप्युलेशन असेल किंवा त्यांच्या ज्या वाढत्या मागण्या असतील, लाईक कम्युनिटीज, अँड देन त्यांची जी पण असणारी इकोसिस्टम असेल, सो ह्याचं जे पण डायमेन्शन आहे ते प्लांट मॅनेजमेंटवरती पडतं आहे. देन इव्होल्युशनरी डायमेन्शन असेल, रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह बायोलॉजी, देन इकोफिजिओलॉजी अँड मॉर्फोमेट्री, देन त्यांचं जे पण असणारे जेनेटिक्स असतील अँड डायमेन्स्टिकेशन असेल. ओके, सो दॅट इज द प्लांट मॅनेजमेंट. देन फोर्थ वन असेल नॉन-वूड फॉरेस्ट, दॅट इज फ्रॉम वूड अँड नॉन-वूड फॉरेस्ट कम्युनिटी बेस्ड फॉरेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट. So the non-wood forest product is a relatively new term used generally to means forest product other than wood. So जे पण नॉन-वूड फॉरेस्ट आहेत किंवा जे त्यापासून मिळणारे जे फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट आहेत तर ते ह्युमन असेल किंवा ॲनिमलसाठी खूप यूजफुल आहेत. देन non-wood forest product may be gathered from the wild or produced in forest plantation, then agroforestry schemes and from trees outside forest. Then non-timber forest product, that is NTFPS, are any product or service other than timber that is produced in forest. They include fruits and nuts, vegetables, fish, and game. Then medicinal plant, resins, essence, and range of barks and fibers such as bamboo, then rattans, and a host of other palms and grasses. सो जे पण नॉन टिम्बर फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट असतील सो त्यांच्यापासून जे पण मिळणारं प्रोडक्ट असतील दॅट इज फ्रूट असेल किंवा नट्स मिळतात देन डिफरंट टाईप्स ऑफ व्हेजिटेबल्स फिश अँड गेम्स देन मेडिसिनल प्लांट रेझिन्स इसेन्स रेंज ऑफ बार्क्स अँड फायबर्स such as bamboo, rattans, and host of other palms and grasses. So these all are the useful for the humans. Then essential oils are used in everyday life in foods and drinks and confectionery items. Products for personal use such as perfumes, then deodorants, then shampoos, bath lotions, toilet soaps, then toothpaste and mouthwashes. In pharmaceutical preparation where flavors are added to make the product more appealing or to mask the taste of less agreeable ones. Items used about the house or office or in industries such as air freshener, then laundry soaps, detergent, cleaning agent, and tobacco product. So non-timber forest product, that is NTFPs, are the forest product derived from both plant and animals whose tangible values are often made to evade reaching a nation's exchequer throughout the human history. These products are used by a variety of purposes like food, fodder, fibers, traditional medicine, then agricultural amenities, domestic material, construction material, and the likes. Many traditional beliefs and cultures are also associated with this product. सो हे जे नॉन वूड फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट असतील किंवा नॉन टिम्बर फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट आहे यापासून जे पण मिळणारे जे डिफरंट टाईप्सचे जे प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत तर ते इट इज व्हेरी यूजफुल फॉर ह्युमन्स ऑर त्यांची जी पण इकॉनॉमिक कंडिशन आहे तर बऱ्यापैकी त्यावर जे प्रोडक्ट आहेत त्यावर डिपेंड असते किंवा त्या थ्रू आपण इकॉनॉमिक जी कंडिशन असेल तर ती इन्क्रीज करू शकतो राईट. देन NTFPs कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू लोकल इकॉनॉमीज, household food security and dietary risk minimization of forest dependent communities, sustainable livelihood and food security to forest dependent communities have raised series of critical issues in the management of forest resources. So हे जे रिसोर्सेस आहेत त्यापासून जे पण मिळणारे मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स असतील सो त्या थ्रू आपण मेडिसिन्स क्रिएट करू शकतो. देन जे आपल्याला बांबू मिळतात त्यापासून किंवा जे फ्रूट्स असतील व्हेजिटेबल्स आपल्याला त्यापासून डिफरंट टाईपचे प्रोडक्ट मिळतात. ओके सो these all are included in our terrestrial ecosystem. सो त्या एरियामध्ये असणारे जे नॉन वूड एरिया फॉरेस्टमध्ये असणारे जे पण फ्लोरा असेल फाउना असेल ऑल आर डिपेंडंट टू ईच अदर राईट अँड ऑल्सो ह्युमन. नॉन वूड फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट सो त्यांचं जे पण सेलिंग असेल सेल ऑफ नॉन वूड फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट एक्झाम्पल हनी, मॅट्स, बास्केट, देन कॅश, purchase of food stock, then household food security, and then direct food collection from forest example fruits असतील vegetable असेल किंवा animal hunting असेल right. These are the some non-wood forest product procedures right. So the social, economic and ecological values. Social is local handicraft development, enhancement of local food product, then more balanced and affordable food and nutrition. Then economic development of income generating activities, increase of agricultural production, then ecotourism development and improvement of rural population purchasing power. Then ecological, floristic and wildlife biodiversity indicator, then anti-poaching and human wildlife conflict management, then enhancement of forest ecosystem and hence the need for their conservation and sustainable use. And last one, the traditional method. So ज्या पण ट्रॅडिशनल मेथड्स आहेत, सो टेरिस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम मॅनेजमेंटसाठी कशा यूजफुल आहेत. सो इकोसिस्टम मॅनेजमेंट इन ॲन approach to natural resource management that aims to ensure the long-term sustainability and persistence of an ecosystem functions and survives while meeting socio-economic, political and cultural needs. Then traditional ecological knowledge provides information about climate change then across generation and geography of the actual resident in the area. Traditional ecological knowledge emphasizes and makes the information about the health and interaction of the environment the center of the information it carries. The definition of ecosystem management, there are some new words: ecosystem and community, sustainability, then ecosystem health, ecosystem integrity, biological diversity, social values and social principles. So these are the some traditional management and environmental management. Their in objectives, product, organization and their environment, right? So in objective, their traditional method, economic growth and profit, sustainable return for partner, then sustainability and standard of living and welfare of partner. Then in products designed for function, style and price. Then environment management, environment friendly product designed for environment. Then in organization, hierarchical structure, decision making from top to bottom, centralization in decision making. Then non-hierarchical structure, then participatory decision making and decentralized in decision making. Then in environment, having a good command of environment, managing of the environment as a source, then evaluation of pollution and waste as externalities, and then being harmony with nature, becoming aware of natural resources not being unlimited, managing and minimizing pollution and waste. Then this is the some traditional management and ecosystem management. Their values: nature, ethics, science and models, then management and organization, planning, decision making and participation, leadership. One by one you can read. Then protect our terrestrial ecosystem. So terrestrial ecosystem include all the diverse flora and fauna that inhabit our landscapes. Terrestrial ecosystems provide many services including providing habitat for fauna and flora, then providing food, fiber, fuel, shelter and resources, then storing, transformation and releasing carbon, water and other nutrients. They reducing the impact of floods, then cyclones and droughts, protecting soil resources from salinity and erosion, producing atmospheric oxygen, regulating climate, grazing, forestry, horticulture and cropping systems rely on pastures, trees, pollination and other elements of terrestrial ecosystem. So terrestrial ecosystem provided food and other resources for traditional indigenous lifestyle and have cultural significance to indigenous Australians today. So terrestrial ecosystem also supports social and recreational activities. So this is the terrestrial ecosystem, their introduction, then their methods of terrestrial ecosystem management. So आपण अशा 5 methods बघितल्या, right? So that is remote sensing, GIS, ethnobotany, then non-wood forest, that is from wood, and non-wood forest community based forest management, and then traditional method. So remote sensing चा यूज टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये आपण कसा करू शकतो. then how to GIS used in terrestrial ecosystem management, then ethnobotany and their products, then non-wood forest products, and then traditional methods and their uses. Okay, so This is the terrestrial ecosystem management.